Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I salute you from wherever you are tuned in. People in America, that is USA, Canada, South America, that is Brazil, all countries in South America. I do salute you. Then Europe, all European countries, I do salute you. Spain, France, England, all the UK countries, all other countries in Europe, France, Germany. I love you, Switzerland, Finland. Love you so much. Then Africa also, thank you. Yes, thank you Uganda, thank you Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, South Sudan, Cameroon, Gabon, all African countries. I can't mention all of you. You are too many. I love you so much. Then Asia, all countries in Asia, I love you so much. India, I love you so much. China, all countries in Asia, I love you. You can't name all of you, but I love you. Middle East, I love you so much. Dubai, Qatar, I love you so much. Jordan, I can't mention all of you, but I love you. Australia, I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to introduce to you this beautiful video. Most some hairdressers or most of them have done tutorials about it, but they didn't do it in its right form, or they did not give you the detailed matters about passion twist. Passion twist has different types of it, but the right way to do passion twist, it has to be in a protective way. Most clients' hair has broken because they've done this hairstyle in a way that is not protective at all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most protective way you can do passion twists. Here we go. I've started our box or my boxes like this, but remember there's that thing, there's that braid I'm adding in. Do you know what that braid I'm adding in is? Because I'm not only braiding hair on its own, I'm not only braiding her natural hair in its own, but there's an additional braid I've added in onto her hair. That is kinky. I'm using Afro kinky. You can use any kinky. You can use Mali kinky. You can even use Brazilian wool just to strengthen the hair. That additional braid I'm adding, the advantages are to strengthen the hair, to make our strands neat and straight, and to make the hair long last. I told you most of my hairstyles are long lasting. If you're kind of a person who wants to braid your hair for only 1 week or 2 weeks, then you're not the target that we are targeting you right now. We're not targeting you right now because my hairstyles are long lasting. So this is a long lasting hairstyle that's going to take you more than 5 months if you want. If you want for 1 month, then it's okay, no problem. But if you're this kind of person who says, I don't normally get time for salons, then you are at home. You should try this hairstyle. You should try this hairstyle. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, here we go with our passion twist. These are the boxes we're making, of course, and I've told you that we are adding kinky to strengthen them, and I've given you the advantages and the reasons why adding kinky. Of course, I've already told you this. You need to have the gel to make our lines neat. And of course, you have to have a tailed comb. This is a tailed comb I'm using to make my leggings. You have to have it. This is how they do the boxes. I'm first starting with the boxes, and I first do threes. People are going to wonder that is passion twist like threes? No, this is a updated and the most recent way and the genius way you can do passion twist. It's very protective, it's quick, it's fast, it's secure, it's pain free, and most hairdressers don't know this. They are still doing this. They are still doing passion twist in the most old-fashioned way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the updated style you can do a passion twist in. This is the most styled up or updated way you can do passion twist. It's quick, it's secure, it's pain free, it's beautiful, it's, oh my goodness, it's everything. It's everything. Remember, passion twist is a double strand twist. So don't worry if you're seeing me starting with threes. Just be with me on this video. Come along with the ball. Be on board. And I would have said that don't blink your eyes, because if you blink, you lose. You're gonna lose some steps. You're gonna lose something that you need to know right now. You need to learn right now on this video. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget your kinky. As I've told you already, I've given you the advantages of this, and you should not forget to follow them. Follow these directives, and this tutorial is for you. If you have broken edges, this hairstyle, passion twist hairstyle, is going to restore your broken edges. It's going to restore your hairline. It's going to restore your hair. And if your hair is weak, it's going to strengthen it. And by the time you open this hair out, you're going to be mesmerized, and now the results will be. Here you go with our threes. You make them to some extent. You don't make them to, or you don't make your threes up till you finish up your hair. No, you make them up to somewhere, as I'm doing it here. Of course, if you want to learn hair, I told you already, just subscribe to this channel, because I do most of the tutorials here. Actually, I do all the tutorials. And the fun question is that you want to ask me, please, the comment section is open. By the way, I'm also mobile. If you want me to reach you physically, I can come there. We can come there with my team. If you want to come at the salon, it's okay, because here I'm at salon. So I give you all different options that you want. The people who say, man, I don't wanna go to, I don't wanna travel, I don't wanna go to salon, I wanna do it at home. You're free, you're welcome. I do it at an extra cost of fuel. Yes. By the way, this passion twist hairstyle, it is a hairstyle you can take it only 3 hours. It is time saving. It is very easy to style. It's very easy to maintain, because no entangling at all. It is tangle free. You don't need to worry about it. When you want to swim, it's up to you. You can swim with it. When we're done with this first step of making our boxes in threes, we shall go straight to our next step. It's gonna be, we're gonna have to use a crochet. I put you to stick here with me. And mind you, when you reach at the skull part, don't forget to make the boxes a little bit smaller, because up here it matters. You need to pack your boxes a little bit more than it has been the rest of the head. You need to make your box a little bit smaller than it has been, because it's when you're starting is where you start. Up here is where you start, so it has to be a little bit packed. Most people don't know about that. They make same boxes, they make same size of the box. It's okay to make same size, but it's more better if up here the boxes are a little bit smaller and many and more than down here. Here we're done with our first step of making boxes. So we are going to the crocheting part of it. This is the crocheting section of this hairstyle, the passion twist, the neat passion twist. Because there's also this twist, passion twist, the one that is messy, the one that is fluffy, you know. This is the neat passion twist. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're crocheting in our braids into the boxes. Hope you can see how we do it. Hope you can see how I crochet in my braids. I crochet at the grassroots, of course, are a few inches from the scalp, because now this is a double strand twist. It's not threes. So the threes part doesn't have to show, because this is a double strand. That's why most people prefer starting right from the roots. They start the double strand from the roots. But here, when you do this type of this way of doing passion twist, is the most trendy way and is the most sophisticated way of doing passion twist. You make sure that you crochet your braids, your passion twist braids, right from the start of your threes. The threes we did at the first. Yeah, I think you saw it very well. I told you everything I'm doing here, it matters. It matters. So this is how we twist. After crocheting in our braids, we twist them this way of twisting. I think let me leave you to watch all this session. Please make sure you watch to the end. And mind you, some people asking me, they're asking themselves, why am I having that comb, the tail comb? It helps me when I'm starting the other braid. I first undo the threes a little bit, because when I crocheted, I didn't crochet at the last end of the threes. I crocheted at the beginning of the threes. So there's this part that I need to fix in my braids, the ones I've just put in. So I first undo it a little bit to help me get all this hair to combine the hair, the natural hair of the plant to the braids. So I first undo a little bit the threes, then I start twisting. I have to commend the both of them because remember I'm doing twos. Passion twist is a double strand. You get? I think you can watch what I'm doing. Let me leave it watch to the end. I thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this hair channel and share it to your friends. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. And of course, I expect a lot of thumbs up for me because I've done a tremendous work. And you're going to look and you're going to see how amazing my clients are going to look at the end of this video. Thank you so much. I am JK. I wish to see you in my next video.